wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best under-hood work lights. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. The 120 LED Luminar Work is a rechargeable unit that's perfect for when you need a low-profile lighting solution for repairs. The recessed hooks fold away for easy storage, while the detachable magnetic stretch cord offers alternate attachment options. It comes in a shatterproof polycarbonate tube and includes cigarette and wall adapters, but it's not as bright as other models. At number 6, while not specifically purposed as an underhood work lamp, the Stanley BF0109 Bar Flex is a compact and portable option that can nonetheless help you peer into those dark engine compartments. It can be operated with a cord or off its battery when an outlet is out of reach. Its articulated joint helps to direct the light, and its magnetic base attaches to metal. However, the beam can be a little narrow. Coming in at number 5 on our list. With 2 brightness settings, the Nightstick SLR2120 can provide just a little or a lot of light depending on your needs. Plus, the tube can rotate a full 360 degrees in its adjustable cradle, allowing you to focus on those dark, hard-to-reach places. It includes dual on and off buttons and can also stand on its handle ends. But the battery life isn't very long. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for underhood work lights, or click beneath this video. At number 4, suitable for a wide range of applications such as automotive work, camping and boating, the True Power 120 LED conveniently folds in half for easy storage and transportation. The extendable end clamps allow you to mount the light almost anywhere. It features strong spring-loaded grippers and includes AC and DC charging adapters. However, the cheap plastic parts break easily. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with 202 SMD LEDs producing a whopping 1200 lumens, the Nico 40447A is an all-purpose offering that can be used in all sorts of workspaces. Hang it from the hood with the attached hooks, or mount it on the side of your car during tire changes with the included magnets. It features a lithium-ion battery that runs for 3 to 6 hours, a durable steel holding tube, and overcharge protection for longevity. At number 2, the Central Tools 13003 features extra thick shatterproof bulb housing that helps protect the unit against shocks, drops, and dings from tools. The included light perch self-adjusts to fit any size of vehicle, including compact cars and light-duty trucks. It's made in the USA and stays cool even after extended use. It can also be used for interior work. And taking the top spot on our list, the soft foam covered ends of the ATD Tools 8005030 watts telescoping bracket can be used on hoods from 47 to 75 feet wide without damaging your vehicle's paint job, while the ample 25-foot cord means a power source is never too far away. It's UL approved and certified and features extremely bright LEDs and a very durable construction. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for underhood work lights, or click beneath this video.